Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to study about the arithmetic mean. First of all, insertion of arithmetic means. After that, we calculate the arithmetic mean between two quantity. Here, insertion of arithmetic mean if between A and B. Now, insertion of arithmetic means if between two given quantities A and B, we have to insert a quantity A1, A2, A3, An such that A1, A2, A3, A4, An and B form an AP. Then we say that A1, A2, A3, A4, An are the arithmetic mean between A and B. Now, for example, if 15, 10, 5, 0, minus 5, minus 10, minus 15 are in AP, here in this case, common difference is minus 5, and this is if in AP, it follows that 10, 5, 0, minus 5, minus 10, these 5 quantity are 5 arithmetic mean between 15 and minus 15. Now, if A, capital A and B are in AP, and this is a 3 terms, and if these are in AP, then we say that A is the arithmetic mean of A and B. Now, insertion of n arithmetic mean between A and B. Here now in insertion of n arithmetic mean between A and B, let us suppose that A1, A2, A3, A4, An be n arithmetic mean between two quantity A and B. So that series will be A1, A2, A3, A4, An and B are in AP. Let us suppose that common difference is D, so that total terms here to here, n terms and 1, 2, total terms equal to n plus 2 in this series AP, and B here a के power n plus 1, this comes here to subtract, so that 2a के power n plus 1, a के power n 1, subtract a के power n plus 1 plus 2b के power n plus 1 और b के power 1 plus 1, also subtract only b के power n plus 1 equal to a b के पावर n प्लस a के पावर n b, a के पावर n b. Now this comes here, this can be written as a के पावर n into a, and this comes here minus a के पावर n b equal to here a b के पावर n, this comes here plus minus b के पावर n into b. Now we take here common a के पावर n, in this case here a minus b, and here also b के power n, here a, and in this case a minus b. Now in this case a minus b and a minus b cancel, this comes here a के power n divided by b के power n equal to 1. It means that a by b के power n equal to, this is 1, so that we can write it a by b के power 0. यदि किसी भी संख्या का पावर 0 रहता है तो उसका मान 1 होता है. If this can be written as, so by law of indices n equal to 0, this is our answer. Now next problem here. Now second problem, prove that sum of n arithmetic mean between two numbers is n times the single arithmetic mean between them. Now let us suppose that a1, a2, a3, a4 dot an be the n arithmetic mean between a and b, between a and b. Then a1, a2, a3, a4, a1 and b are in AP arithmetic progressions, and common difference is equal to a plus b minus a by n plus 1. Here now sum of n arithmetic mean a1, a2, a3, a4, an is arithmetic mean, so that sum of this, as you know that according to the summation formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. Here a is the first term and l is the last term, so that sum of this is n by 2 a1 plus an, since a1, a2, a3, an and b are in AP, so that sum of this and this is equal to a1 plus an equal to sum of a2 and last an minus 1. This sum is equal, so that in place of a1 plus an we write a plus b. Here we put a1 plus n, a plus b here n by 2, a plus b, and it means that n a plus b by 2 and a plus b the arithmetic mean between a and b. Here the single arithmetic mean between them n times and n into arithmetic mean between a and b. Now we see next problem here. Now here question number 3. Insert 6 arithmetic mean between 15 and minus 13. Solution 3 here. First of all, we calculate the 6 arithmetic means. 6 arithmetic means between this. Let us suppose that A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 are the 6 arithmetic mean between 15 and minus 13. So that here 15 comma A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 and minus 13 are in AP. Arithmetic progressions where common difference D equal to B minus A divided by N plus 1. In this case, B is the 13 minus A is here 15 divided by N is N plus 1. In this case, N is equal to 6 plus 1, so that this is equal to minus 5, 3, 8, 28 by 7. This is equal to minus 4. Now D equal to minus 4, and in this case insert 6 arithmetic mean. It means that first arithmetic mean A1 equal to A plus D. Now value of A is 15 plus D equal to minus 4. This is equal to 11. Second arithmetic mean A2, A plus 2D. Here 15 plus 2 into minus 4. 4 to the 8. 15 minus 8 equal to 7. A3, A plus 3D. 15 plus 3 minus 4. This is 4 3 are 12. This is equal to 3. A4 equal to A plus 4D, 15 plus 4 into minus 4, 4 4 are 16, this is equal to minus 1, A5, A plus 5D, 15 plus 5 into minus 4, this is equal to 20, this is equal to minus 20 minus 5, and A6, A plus 6D, 15 plus 5, 6 into minus 4, this is equal to 6 4 are 24, this is equal to minus 9, so that terms will be 11, 7, 3, minus 1 and minus 5 and minus 6. This is the sixth arithmetic mean between 15 and minus 13. This is our answer. Now, fourth problem here. There are n arithmetic mean between 3 and 17. Here, n arithmetic mean between 3 and this. Let us suppose that A1, A2, A3 dot dot An are n arithmetic mean between 3 and 17, and let us suppose that common difference equal to D. Here D is B minus A by n plus 1. Now, in this case, B is 17 minus A equal to 3 divided by n plus 1. It means that this is equal to 14 divided by n plus 1. Now, here there are n arithmetic mean between 3 and 17. The ratio of last mean to the first mean is 3:1. Ratio of last mean. Last mean means ratio of the last mean. Here last mean is A1 and first mean is A1. The ratio of last mean to the first mean is this. By equation, A1 by A1 equal to 3 by 1. Here given the ratio of last mean is A1 and first mean is A1 is 3:1. Find the value of n. In this case, we put an equal to a plus nb. In this case, an equal to here a plus nd and a plus nd divided by a plus b equal to 3 by 1, and value of d here calculate. Value of this is calculate and a is given here. Series start from 3, so that in this case a equal to 3, putting the value of a is equal to 3 and d is equal to this. In this case, a is equal to 3 plus n and d equal to 14 by n plus 1. Divided by a, this is 3 plus d is 14 by n plus 1 equal to 3 by 1. Now, if you take LCM of this can be multiplied this here, imply that 3n plus 3n plus 3 plus 14n divided by n plus 1. And also divided this here, this is also 3n plus 3 plus 14 divided by n plus 1 equal to 3 by 1 here. N plus 1 and n plus 1 cancel, imply that this is equal to 14 plus 3, 17n plus this 17n plus 3 3n, 14n, 17n plus 3 divided by 3n plus 17 equal to 3 by 1. By cross multiplication, this is 17n plus 3 equal to this 3 is 9n plus 51. So that this comes here 17 minus 9, 8n equal to this comes here 48. So that n is equal to 6. And in this case, find the value of n. Find the value of n. So the value of n is equal to 6. This is our answer. Now, next question here. Here, if 1 lakh 3 to power 1 minus x plus 2 base 9 and this are in AP, then equal to this or this or this. These problems asked in the JEE Main 2002. Here, this 1 lakh 3 to power 1 minus x plus 2 lakh 9 and this are in AP. So that arithmetic means any first and last divided by 2 equal to the middle part, and here this is 2 by cross multiplication here 2 and 1 can be written as log 3 base 3. This value is equal to 1. So that log m into n, log m plus n here apply. So that log 3 and 3 of this, and here 3 के power 2 and this square log m के power n is equal to n log m. So that this can remove. Here log 3 and log 3 cancel, this term and this term equal to here 3 के power 1 and 3 के power minus x, and this putting the 3 के power x is equal to t. So that 3 by t plus 2 equal to 12t minus 3 here. And after solving this, we get the second degree equations 12t square minus 5t minus 3 is equal to 0, and we get the value of t 3 by 4, and this is negative. 3 power x cannot be equal to negative, so that it is impossible. Putting this can be written as in the log or 10 to the power 2 is equal to 100. This can be written as log 100 base 10 equal to 2. In the similar sense, we can write this log 3 by 4 base 3 is equal to x, so that, and this log m but n is equal to log m minus n, and this is same, so that this is equal to 1, and x is equal to 1 minus log 4 base 3, so that equation is B is correct. Now like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.